Welcome to Wild School 3D. At the break of dawn, the African savanna awakens, and with it, the story of life begins. A mother rhinoceros, heavy with new life, moves quietly, her instinct guiding her to a place of safety. And then, with the patience only nature knows, she gives birth. A single calf, fragile, unsure, and yet determined, takes its first breath, its first steps, and its first look at a vast new world. In the days that follow, the calf learns, by watching, by playing, by living. The wallow becomes its playground, the wind its teacher. Every sound is new, every step a lesson. Seasons change, and the calf becomes a youth. Its horn begins to form, growing alongside courage. No longer just a follower, it begins to explore, challenge, and understand its place in the world. As an adult, the rhino stands strong and solitary. Built for survival, it moves with quiet power. Sometimes paths cross, and sometimes respect is earned in silence. With time, the once feared titan softens. The steps are slower, the breath deeper. In its eyes, the story of a lifetime, etched by storms, sun, and survival. But life always finds a way. A new calf is born. A new journey begins. The cycle turns, as it has for millions of years. Rhinos are big, strong, and very hungry. Black rhinos eat leaves, twigs, and even thorny branches from bushes. Sometimes they eat water plants near rivers or ponds. In dry seasons, they dig roots and tubers with their horn. This is the life of a rhinoceros, ancient, majestic, and wild. Their horn isn't just for defense, it's also a natural tool. If you liked learning with us today, don't forget to click like. Share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Wild School 3D for more amazing animal adventures.